Wave from Canada. Wave from Canada.
Wave, everyone.
Singapore wave as well. Come on, Singapore. Paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Ready? Scissors, paper, stone.
A very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Kylie and today I will be sharing with you my favorite outdoor activity. Before I begin, do you have any guesses?
Yes, I have.
Swimming.
Cycling. Badminton. Coloring. Chickens.
No, my favorite outdoor activity and favorite sport is netball. For those who aren't familiar with the sport, netball is similar to basketball, except you can't dribble or move with the ball at all. There are also specific positions and specific places where you can't move out of. In school, netball is also my CCA. Unlike last year, the National School Games, also known as NSG, was able to take place. I took part in the East Zone Netball Junior Girls Division competition. For the majority of the games, I played goal defense. It is also my favorite position to play. During the competition season, there was one very challenging game against St. Hilda Primary. They were a very strong team and we were neck to neck throughout the whole game. Unfortunately, in the end, we lost. Anyone wants to guess the final score?
Yeah, 0%, 24 to 25.
Yes, the final score was 24 to 25. We were really upset, but at the same time, we were determined to do better in the next round. Fast forwarding to the finals for the 3rd and 4th placing. That's right, we made it that far. During the finals, our parents and some of our classmates were able to come and watch us play at Tampines Sports Stadium. The atmosphere was so different as all the previous games were played in other schools. We were playing against SAC and we were sure that we could win as to not let our supporters down. We played our best and in the end we won. It was one of the best feelings we ever felt. We felt a sense of accomplishment and we were all very happy. Next year, when we participate in the senior division, I'm sure we can win first place. Something I also like to do is to watch netball games, like when my family and I went to watch the Asian Netball Games. I was especially inspired by Singapore's goal attack, Toh Kai Wei, who was so confident in her shooting. I was able to learn many tricks from them that I will definitely use in the future. To me, netball is a game that I can find comfort in and I will most certainly continue to play in the future. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions?
No. Yes.
Yes?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, thank you.
Yay!